Good morning, my children. Today we are going to start our next lesson, that is finding places. We are going to start SS today, that to the third lesson, that is finding the places. Now I am going to read page number 230. When you travel from home to school, do you go straight or do you turn left and right many times? People take different direction while traveling. North, east, south, and west are known as cardinal directions. In addition, there are four more directions, namely northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. These lie between the four main directions and are called subdirection. Now we know that what are the four directions. One is south, one is west, north, and east. Now there are four more. For example, it is northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Okay, and these are called the subdirection, and the main directions, they are called the cardinal direction. Okay, now finding directions. People use different ways to find places. During ancient times, people used the position of the sun to determine the direction. But previously, like बहुत पुराने time में, when we didn't have any system, so people use the sun. They look at the sun and they were able to identify or know that what time it is going on. An easy way to find direction when lost is with the help of a compass. A compass is used for the purpose of navigation. Okay, it has a needle that always points to the north. If we know one direction, it is easy to find the others. Now, compass, if you see that one, it is like it shows directions. Like if we are standing in this house, it will tell in which direction is our house situated. Okay, and a compass is used for the purpose of navigation. Now, in the second page, that is page number 231, it is, have you ever given someone direction to play to a place by drawing on a piece of paper? Like such a drawing usually shows a small area with buildings and the road leading to a particular place. This is called a sketch. I know you're so small to do that, but if and all, if you were asked to draw a sketch to show the places from your home to the school, you can draw that. Okay, so that is called a sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing that shows direction to a particular place. Now, sketch, what is a sketch? It shows a particular way to, so that we can move. Now the next one is maps. We use maps to find direction or places on the earth. Maps are drawing of various parts of the earth or the entire earth on a flat surface. You have seen maps, right? So how is it? It is a flat surface, and in that the picture is shown. They cover a much larger area than a sketch. Now in a sketch, what happens, you can just show a small place or a small area. You won't be able to explain the whole Baroda in a sketch, right? So for that we use maps. Now maps show places that are very far from each other. This would be very difficult to fit into a sheet of paper. For this reason, maps are drawn with a scale to represent the real distance between the places. Now, if you see the map, you can see the distance also. They will show the distance also. Okay, how long is my house and the school, or your house and the school. There will be a particular distance. There will be numbers in that. For example, a map might have a scale where 1 centimeter of the on the map is equal to 10,000 kilometer on the ground. the okay उसमें it won't be like normally we जो देखते हैं, it won't be like that. It will be, the measurements will be different, like it will be 1 kilometer is equal to 10,000 kilometers. So उसके accordingly you have to see. Maps can be easily carried from one place to another. As it is a big sheet, so we can carry from one place to another. A book of map is called an atlas. An atlas have different types of maps. If you have an atlas, you can see that there are different physical map, political maps, okay, and there are maps which shows particular states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. There will be a particular place also. You can see in detail. Fine. Now a globe. A globe is a model of the earth. The word globe comes from the Latin word globus, which means a spherical object. We have learned, right? We can see all the continents and oceans on a globe. In a globe, we can see the continents and oceans together. Now, however, we can only see one side of the earth at a time. As it is a spherical shape, we can see only one side at a time. We will have to spin it around to see the other side. Globes are big and heavy to carry. Normally, we don't carry globes. If you want to go somewhere or some places, we have the maps, right? That is why people use maps while traveling. Nowadays, it is so highly, we have Google Map. We can just on it and just we can move, right? Now we are going to see the difference between maps and globes. The difference between maps and globes are given in the table below. Now the first one is maps. Maps are drawn on a flat surface. Globes are model of the earth. They are round in shape and not flat. Mostly globes are spherical shapes, they are not flat, and it is heavy also. A map does not show the shape of the earth, a globe shows the shape of the earth. A map is easier to use and can be taken anywhere. A globe is heavy and difficult to carry to different places. Maps show more details than globes, and globe shows fewer details than maps. As such, now we are highly tech, we are having our mobiles and we don't need both this, fine. But previously people used to take the maps. Okay, I also do have my book. If I'm going to a new place, I'll purchase a map and then we used to move so that we can see the places properly. As this is a small lesson, I've completed it. In the next class we'll see the new words and etc. Okay, thank you.